In this video, we'll learn how to find the area of a parallelogram using the Pythagorean theorem. The area formula of a parallelogram, like this parallelogram, is A equal the base multiplied by height. This is a parallelogram because this side parallel to this side parallel to this side, so opposite sides are parallel, so this is a parallelogram. Sometimes the base here or the height is not given directly, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem first, then apply the area formula, which is this formula. We'll go through two examples. The first one here, this parallelogram, we have two given side, two adjacent sides. Here we have 20 meters and 10 meters. The height is not given, but the part of this base here, which is 6 meters. Of course, we can find this h, which is the height, by using the Pythagorean theorem, then using it to find the area, which is the base multiplied by height. Here, of course, here the base is 20, so 20 multiplied by height to find the area. The second example, here we have this parallelogram. Here opposite sides are parallel, so this is a parallelogram. We don't have the full length of the base here, but we have the height and the slanted side. So we have just one side of this parallelogram. We have the part of this side, but we don't have the full base of this parallelogram. Using the Pythagorean theorem for this right triangle, we can find this part. Then, of course, we can say this plus this, multiply by the height, it will give us the area. These examples will help you understand how to use the area formula and the Pythagorean theorem to find the area of a parallelogram in a simple and clear way. The first example here, we have this parallelogram. Of course, here the base here, which is 20, because from here to there is equal to this side, because opposite sides are equal and parallel in parallelogram. So here this base equal 20 meters. We don't have the height, but we can find it by using the Pythagorean theorem for this right triangle. Here, this to find this h, of course, we can say h square plus this square, 6 square, equal 10 square. Now we can find this h by taking this to the other side, so h square equal 10 square minus the 6 square, and we can simplify these, so it will be h square equal, here of course 10 square, which is 100, 6 square, which is 36, so we can simplify this, 100 minus 36, which is 64. Now we can take square root for both sides, here and here. Now here, this, of course, will cancel with this, so it will be h equal the square root of 64, which is 8 meters. So the height here is 8 meters. So we found this height, which is 8 meters. Now we can find the area by, say, the area equal base multiplied by height equal the base, which is 20, the height, which is 8, equal 2 multiplied by 8, which is 16, and we can put here 0 square meters. So we found it, the area of this parallelogram, which is 160 square meters. So 160 square meters. Now let's take another example. Now let's take the second example. The second example here, we have this a parallelogram. We have here the height, which is 4 meters. As we know, the height is the perpendicular distance from the base, which is this one, to the opposite side, which is this one. So here, this is the height. You can see here we have 90 degrees angle. So here, this is the height. So we don't have the full length of this base. We want to find it. Then we have to multiply by this height to find the area. Now, to find this part of this base, we have to say, using the Pythagorean theorem, this square plus this square equal this the hypotenuse of this right triangle. Let the missing part of this base here, let's call it as x. So x square plus this square, 4 square, equal 5 square. Now, let's simplify this one. So we can take this one to the other side. So x square equal 5 square minus 4 square. Now let's simplify this one. So 5 square, which is 25, 4 square, which is 16. Now here x square equal 25 minus 16, which is 9. Now we can take square root for both sides. So here square root and here square root. Here this square will cancel with this square root. So x equal the square root of 9, which is 3. And of course here it should be meters. So we found this here x as 3 meters. Can we find this base? Of course, the base equal this 7 plus this x here, this part equal, and we know here now this x here, this part is 3. So 7 plus 3, which is 10 meters. So we found the whole thing from here to there as 10 meters, because here this one is 3 meters. So 7 plus 3, so it will be 10 meters. So this here 10 meters. Can we find the area? Of course, the area equal base multiplied by height. The base, which is 10 meters, multiply by the height, which is 4. 10 multiplied by 4, which is 40 square meters. So we found the area of this parallelogram, which is 40 square meters. That's it. In this video, we learned how to find the area of the parallelogram using the formula, which is A equal B multiplied by H. Here A is the area, B is the base, and H is the height. We also learned how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing information, such as the height or the missing part of the base, before finding the area. So like here we found the missing part of the base, then we found the area by using the formula. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more math videos. Feel free to comment below with your questions or suggestions about this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.